Good afternoon. I'm going to be going over all of the trades I took today. Win, loss, whatever it is, I'll be showing both. Currently, I'm still in BYND. I've got a long position on. You can tell where I bought in because
Order filled.
and where I sell because there's these triangles. If there's a blue triangle, it means I bought. If there's a red one, it means that I sold. I need to update my stop loss for this position before we go over the other ones. All right, let's get into it. My first trade today was on Tesla, and I'll tell you what, this one was quite the mover. So as you can see, I got in down here at this blue arrow using a tool I like to use and ended up selling into this strong move here, and then I just ended up following up my shares and ended up getting stopped up way up here. So it went, let's see, about 496, 497, all the way up to 517, so about 20 points in my favor with my remaining shares, which was very cool for me. Let's see, DDD. Oh, I remember this one didn't work out so well. Yeah, I ended up buying in. I liked the way that this candle was forming for a pullback and bounce for continuation, so I ended up buying here and ended up selling under the low of the candle. It just didn't work out right then, but it has since made a nice move, so no problem there. Let's see. Then JD. I traded that one. Okay, I traded this one twice. So I bought in here and ended up selling, and then I re-entered. Let me try to scroll in here. Once this green candle formed here, I really liked the chances for it to continue, so I bought in again, and it just ended up sloshing around for a little bit, and then I ended up selling up here to mitigate, and then the rest of my shares got stopped out just recently down here. ABMD next trade. Okay, this one I traded twice as well. So I sold into this move up. I thought it was going to be a dead cat and ended up getting stopped out. And then after this indecision candle formed at 11:20, I ended up shorting again, stop over the high. And it did start to roll over a little bit in my direction, but never enough to mitigate, and ended up getting stopped out here. So two losses on ABMD, MU. Let's see. Oh, yep, MU. Similar idea here. Nice candle from a pullback after a big bullish move up, and ended up getting stopped out under the candle the low of the candle, no big deal. Let's see, and then BLPD or BPLD. No, BLDP. Okay, there we go. All right, so this one I was buying a support level right around here. The 50 was lining up with some nice support and ended up getting long, and then subsequently stopped out for loss. So I really liked the risk versus the reward. And then back to BYND, we're still in that one, and so far we have mitigated some shares off. Similar setup, the 50 moving average, and then buying at this support level. So I like what I did today. I feel like I didn't make any trading errors, and everything was pretty consistent. I realize I'm not very good at speculating, doing speculation on patterns, and that's why I've been doing these pullbacks and just trading with the trend. It seems to be working out for me, and then buying at levels of support, selling at levels of resistance. So